Let's go on YouTube. 03 Saturn fan here again with the Iron 3. I just cranked it up. Had been running a little while. So we 99% sure we got the sunroof drain fixed. However, water is still getting in from somewhere. We've had 2 really bad storms lately, and the carpet on this side only, well, not even the carpet, the foam underneath has been like sopping wet. There's a little bit of standing water at the corner near under where your foot would go when you got your foot on the gas. I mean, not much, like that much maybe. So I got a towel in there right now drying it out. I'm moving it under the carport over here. But headlining's dry. Seat and everything's dry. I found a TSB online saying that it could be leaking in right here, and there was water. I took the trim off, but there was water on the trim right here, right about here. So I don't know if it's coming, because TSB said it leaks from behind the speaker when it rains, because of some weather seal or whatever is failed. And it said it could come from right here, behind the tweeter on this car, and an Iron 2, or on a car without power mirrors, the manual mirror control. Hopefully someone else with a quad coupe has encountered this problem and can shed some light on it. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna let this thing run a little while, and I'm gonna move it shortly. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.